Hello, I am CristianRosado, and today I will make pancakes. It is an appetizer of the Honduran. Preparation. First we strike the flour is a pascon. When we are ready, have it washed, we add 2 bags of soda. Da, 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 da. Melt a stick of margarine in the microwave and add it to the mixture. Beat the 2 eggs in a bowl and add them to mixture. Finally, we use the blender to get the milk. The sugar, and we also add it to the mixture. Add to the bowl, mixing all the ingredients, and we are ready to prepare pancakes. It places a pan to heat on the stove over low heat. We add a small amount of the mixture to the pan. It will be a bit like this. Finally, we can enjoy our pancakes. You can also accompany them with butter, honey, and coffee. It is optional.